Hi guys! For today's video, ang pag-uusapan natin is Grade 5 Math, Quarter 2, Module 7, Lesson 1. Finding the missing term in a pair of equivalent ratios. Sa lesson na to, matututunan natin kung paano ba natin hanapin ang missing term in a pair of equivalent ratios. Okay, meron tayong example dito. During weekend, Riza helps her mother plant flowers in plastic pots to make their backyard beautiful. For every pot, Riza puts 3 pots of loam soil. How many cups of loam soil does she need for 3 flower pots? Okay, hindi pala ito pots, cups pala ito, sorry. Unang gagawin natin, intindihin natin ang ating problem. So, kapag weekend daw, si Riza, tinutulungan niya ang kanyang mama na magtanim ng mga bulaklak para maging maganda ang kanilang backyard. Kada isang pot, ang nilalagay ni Riza is 3 cups, this is cups, 3 cups ng loam soil. How many cups of loam soil kapag 3 na flower pots ang kanyang lalagyan, ilang cups ng loam soil ang kanyang kailangan? Makikita natin na ang ratio sa ating problem, ang isang pot is kailangan niya ng 3 cup of loam soil. So, ibig sabihin, 1:3 ang kanyang ratio. So, ngayon, paano natin hahanapin ang kanyang equivalent ratio? Kasi ang isang term is missing. Ang kanyang given is 1:3, pagkatapos ang 3 pots is 2 blank. So, wala siyang given kung ilan ang kakailanganin niyang cup ng loam soil. So, ngayon, meron tayong dalawang solution kung paano natin hahanapin ang missing term. First, solution 1, making an illustration. Okay, so, ang ganda ng drawing ko, di ba? Dito sa letter A is ang kanyang first ratio. So, ang isang pot, kailangan niya ng 3 cup ng loam soil. So, kapag isulat natin siya into ratio, ang masusulat natin is isang pot is to 3 loam soil, cup ng loam soil. So, 1:3 ang ating ratio. Dito naman sa letter B, kapag meron siyang 3 pot, ang kailangan niya na cups ng loam soil is i-count natin. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So, ibig sabihin, ang ratio niya is 3:9. So, ang equivalent ratio pala is 1:3 is equal to 3:9. Okay, so ito na yung missing term natin. Ang missing term natin is si 9. Solution 2 tayo, using cross product rule. Okay, so gagamit tayo ng cross product rule. Ang proportion natin is 1:3 is equal to 3:n. Kasi missing term ang isang term natin dito, so n ang nilagay natin. So ngayon, paano natin siya hahanapin ang kanyang missing term? Ang gagawin natin is hanapin muna natin ang ating means at extremes. Okay, so ang means natin is itong number na nasa loob. Ito yung tinatawag nating means. At itong number na nasa gilid is tinatawag nating extremes. Okay, so ito na yung means natin at ito ang ating extreme. So ngayon, kapag nahanap na natin siya, ang gagawin natin is i-multiply natin ang ating means at ang ating extremes. Okay, so i-multiply na natin siya. So si 1, i-multiply natin kay n. So 1 times n is equal to 3 times 3. Okay, so 1 times n is equal to 1n. 3 times 3 is equal to 9. So ngayon, i-divide natin both sides ng 1 para si n na lang yung maiwan. So n is equal to 9 divided by 1 is equal to 9. So therefore, 9 ang ating missing term. So pareho lang sila ng sagot. So ang equivalent fraction pala natin is 1:3 is equal to 3:9. Paano natin masasabi or ma-check na tama ang ating equivalent fraction na 1:3 and 3:9. Okay, so i-check natin siya by using or by multiplying the means and extremes. So i-multiply natin ang means at ang ating extremes. Okay, so ang means natin is 3 times 3 is equal to, multiply natin yung extremes, 1 times 9. So 3 times 3 is equal to 9, and then 1 times 9 is equal to 9. So therefore, tama ang ating sagot na 1:3 is equal to 3:9. Matatawag natin itong equivalent fraction kasi equal ang ating both sides. Ngayon, naintindihan na natin kung paano hanapin ang missing term in a pair of equivalent ratios. So ngayon, gagamitin na natin siya sa ating dalawang examples. First, n:40 is equal to 5:8. Okay, so again, paano natin hahanapin? I-multiply natin ang ating means at ang ating extremes. So, uunahin natin ang merong missing term na si n. So, n times 8 is equal to 40 times 5. n times 8 is equal to 8n. 40 times 5 is equal to 200. So, 8n is equal to 200. Ang gagawin natin, i-divide natin both sides ng 8. Okay, so divided by 8, divided by 8. So, 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. So, si n na lang yung maiwan. 200 divided by 8 is equal to 25. So, therefore, ang missing term natin is 25. So, ang ating equivalent fraction pala is 25:40 is equal to 5:8. So, paano again natin i-check kung tama ba ito, equal ba itong dalawang proportion natin or dalawang ratio natin? I-multiply natin ang ating means at ang ating extremes. Okay, so 25 times 8 is equal to 40 times 5. So, 25 times 8, i-multiply natin si 25 kay 8. 8 times 5 is equal to 40. Bring down 0, carry 4. 8 times 2 is equal to 16, plus 4 is equal to 20. So, 200 is equal to 40 times 5. So, 40 times 5, 5 times 0 equals 0. 5 times 4 is equal to 20. 200. So, therefore, equal ang both sides. So, tama ang ating equivalent fraction na 25:40 is equal to 5:8. Another example naman tayo, 1/2 is equal to n/30. Okay, pansinin nyo, ang ating given is fraction. Take note na ang ating ratio is pwede natin siyang i-express into fraction form. So, pwede nating i-express into fraction form ang ating ratio. So, ang gagawin lang natin kapag ratio or kapag ang given natin is fraction, ano ang gagawin natin? I-cross multiply natin siya. So, dahil fraction ng ating given, 1/2 is equal to n/30, i-cross multiply natin siya. So, 1 times 30 and 2 times n. So, 2 times n is equal to 1 times 30. So, 2 times n is equal to 2n. 1 times 30 is equal to 30. Okay? So, i-divide natin both sides ng 2 para mawala si 2. Si n na lang yung maiwan. So, 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. And n is equal to 30 divided by 2 is equal to 15. So, therefore, ang missing term natin is 15. So, ang ating equivalent ratio is 1/2 is equal to 15/30. So, ito na yung equivalent ratio natin. Again, i-check natin kung para ma-prove natin na equivalent nga itong fraction natin or ang ating ratio. So, ang gagawin natin, dahil fraction sila, is i-cross multiply natin. So, multiply natin siya. 1 times 30 is equal to 2 times 15. So, 1 times 30 is equal to 30. 2 times 15 is equal to 30. Okay, so equal silang dalawa. Therefore, ang sagot natin na 15, ang ating missing term, is tama. Kasi tama na equivalent ratio itong ating dalawang ratio. O, diba, napakadali lang hanapin ang missing term in a pair of ratio or in a pair of equivalent ratio. Basta kapag ang given mo is ratio, ang gagawin mo, i-multiply mo ang iyong means at ang iyong extremes para mahanap mo ang iyong missing term. Pagkatapos, pwede mo siyang i-check para malaman mo kung tama ba yung sagot mo. That's all for today's video, guys. See you in our next lesson. Bye, guys!